Hey, it's Mark Weiss. Let's talk about deals to allocate employees. So what am I talking about? Well, this is a story about a healthcare staffing company in Nevada that just pleaded guilty and agreed to pay a total of around $139,000 in fines and restitution to employees as a result of a deal with a competitor to not poach one another's employees. These are called no poach agreements, and they are a form of antitrust law violation. And antitrust law is not just civil, it can be criminal. In this case, it was charged criminally. So in essence, in these deals, in this sort of deal with a staffing deal, one staffing company agrees not to hire the competitor's employees, thus keeping down wages in order to provide services. In this case, it was to a school district. But these kind of agreements could come up in many other kinds of contexts. They could come up in the context of, say, two hospital-based groups in a geographic area agreeing that they will staff only to a certain level, that they won't use any physician who has worked with the other group for some period of time in order to make it very difficult for the physicians to switch jobs, thereby avoiding illegally a situation in which the two groups are competing for the same pool of employees. It should be noted that the Biden administration is picking up the pace and intensity of antitrust law scrutiny, and in this case, prosecution. So be extremely careful about allocating markets, including markets for your staff and the staff of a competitor.